Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Saranya Chosidi. Today I'm gonna talk about software engineer. First, I will talk about three things in this video. First is definition. Second is 4 eras of historical. And the third one is the role of software engineer. The definition of software engineer is software engineer is a part of computer science that focus on creating, improving software. It's including designing, developing, testing, and maintaining application. Software engineer use engineering method and programming skill to build reliable software that meets the needs of users. Software is a set of instruction or program that tell a computer what to do. It is the brain that make computers useful. For engineering is the practical use of mathematics and science to design, build, maintain system, machine structures, or processes. Engineering is solving real-world problems using scientific principles. Thus, software engineering combines both. It's about applying engineering principles to create reliable, efficient software. The next one, I would like to discuss the history of software engineer, which can be separated in 4 eras. First one, the early days, 1101 era is in 1950s. The first customers of the computer is U.S. Navy. The computers were new, and programmers wrote the code directly into the machine language. Software was small and simple. Then the next era is the most important era. It is the software crisis. It's in 1968 to 1969 in Germany. NATO held conferences where the term software engineering was introduced. The software crisis was a problem in the early days of computer science. As software became more complex, developers found it hard to finish projects on time, on budget, and with good quality. The old methods were not enough to handle the growing challenges. From 1970 to 1990, there was significant growth in method and tools. New programming languages were created, such as Pascal, which focused on structured programming and data structuring. Later in 1990s, C++ were dominated as a primary language, was developed for building desktop application, database, and design methods. Software engineering becomes a recognized discipline and was taught in universities. Companies also started using structured methods like the waterfall models. Then the latest era, modern practices in 2000th century. Until now, software engineering is now one of the most important fields in technology. Software powers most everything: phone, cars, airplane, banks, and healthcare. Next one, I would like to talk about the role of software engineering. Software engineering plays a key role in solving modern large-scale software problems. Today's systems like online banking, social media, or self-driving car are huge and complex. They need to be secure, reliable, and able to serve millions of users. Software engineering provides structures, method, teamwork, testing, and project management to handle this complexity. It makes sure that large projects are delivered on time, within budget, and can grow as user needs change. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.